Hey guys, I'm James, and welcome to the Dime City Garage. Today we'll be going over one of the most versatile and reliable digital MOTO computer brands on the market, Acewell. And that's right, I didn't say meter, dial, or gauge because, frankly, they're more than that. Let's take a look. These beautiful instruments here are just some of the awesome Acewells on offer. These complex digital instruments are not only highly accurate, but they also possess other key elements of reliability that we believe every motorcycle computer should have. So why do they call them computers? Well, as Acewell states, a computer contains more than a meter, and that's never been more true. Acewell has always focused on mechanical and electronic integration, and we here at DCC firmly stand behind their quality and performance. In fact, some years ago, Dime City struck a special relationship when Acewell invited us to be their exclusive US importer. Exciting. First came love, then came marriage, then came a container shipment of innovative products. These computers are comprised of some of the best mechanically and electronically integrated design elements you could ask for. The digital aspects of these gauges are fully fleshed out with brilliant displays, thoughtful arrangement of pertinent information, and highly accurate readings. And one of the greatest features that make Acewell electronics that much better is the fact that they're designed and constructed specifically for powersports and not adapted from other applications or parts bin leftovers. That means these instruments are ruggedly built with anti-vibration, heat-resistant, and weatherproofing qualities. And if you hadn't noticed, motorcycles tend to vibrate from time to time. Some more than others. You know, something about many thousands of tiny controlled explosions sending rotating hunks of metal into a frenzy mere inches from your tendervittles. Well, no one said you had to be sane to ride a motorcycle, but this anti-vibe design keeps these units strong and stable instead of shaking themselves apart like I've seen with some knockoffs. So whether you're building a ground-pounding chopper or a trail-ripping scrambler, Acewell has the right model for you and your bike. So another PSA, water and electronics typically don't mix well. Electronic engineers work really hard to get the smoke into the circuits, and when you short them out, it is nearly impossible to get that puff of smoke back in. That's why Acewell has built these beauties to be waterproof. And although we're based in the Sunshine State, it rains here all the time. So trailer queens and daily riders alike will eventually be faced with an unexpected shower, or three depending on the season. Which, if we're being honest, isn't necessarily a bad thing for some of us bikers. These important Acewell design elements make a perfect set of ingredients for a delicious, throttle-twisting gourmet meal. So don't get conned into a can of SpaghettiOs. Here at Dime City, we offer these technological treasures for a variety of different applications and some pretty progressive designs. If you're looking to keep a throwback look, we offer these classic round CA085s with analog needle readouts mixed with digital functionality that serve up old school aesthetic with a new modern feel. If you're looking to blend vintage and modern, we offer these gorgeous 4553 models with all the bells and whistles like average and max speed, fuel gauge, temperature readout, and lap timers to name just a few. You got a track day build, Mad Max, or Enduro build going? No sweat, we got you covered too. And with a variety of accessories like fuel level senders, LED inverters for taillights and dummy lights, temperature sensors, harness extensions, and a whole host of mechanical digital speedo converters for your specific model, Acewell makes the transformation seamless. This combination of design aesthetic, reliability, and ease of use makes for a product that we are genuinely proud to offer at Dime City. We run them on our builds and our personal bikes, and we highly recommend them for yours too. So if you're in the market to upgrade your cockpit, Acewell computers could be just what you need to keep an eye on the vitals of your beloved speed machine. So visit DimeCityCycles.com today and check out the all-star Acewell lineup. And as always, our crew is at the ready to help you get that bike shaking bones and stirring souls. So drop us a line at the crew at DimeCityCycles.com for any questions, technical, or even moral support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Dime City Garage. You know the drill. Click here to see another sweet DCC video, and click down here to comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share. Be sure to visit DimeCityCycles.com. Thanks for watching.